USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. You can check out these links. The link says join free Telegram. If you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you add to my Telegram. Check out the brokers and prop forum here. The link which I want to talk about is the membership. So if you want maximum benefits from your Forex or gold trading, you can join this membership. So for now, subscribe, like, check out these links later on. Coming back to USDJPY, let's start the top-down approach with weekly chart. The weekly, as soon we saw these two blue candles, we knew it was a trend reversal. I knew the trend reversal from this rejection as well because we have broken all the previous, this long wick had broken all the previous lows. Okay, so these two blue candles in the weekly were confirmation of the trend reversal anyway. So we are now in the uptrend, but if you come back to Delhi, in Delhi officially we have broken above the EMI, so officially we are in the uptrend. I have been telling you, I have told you this many times that as soon this candle was made, this blue candle, but ate this previous high, so we were in the uptrend, then pull back uptrend. So anyways, bottom line is we are in the uptrend. But now, maybe today we are in the reversal, okay? Not reversal, the pullback, okay? So maybe if I use my line, so if you see, I think we are rejecting the support level here, rejecting as in we have reached this level and now we are rejecting it. So we're pulling back, we're coming down, okay? This is the daily chart. So what do you can see these levels had been tested many times in the past, but you might not be able to understand what I'm saying. Anyways, in Delhi, we have broken above the EMA, so it's not like you just go ahead and enter the, this thing called buy right now. You wait for the pullback, the EMA to retest, okay? But if you don't want to trade as per daily chart, then let's get back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, again, we are above the EMA, okay? So all the previous highs are broken. Wait for the pullback and then go buy. So here we have this 4 hour candle, which is 1 hour, 45 minutes to go. Now, if this previous red candle is eaten by this blue candle, then more likely you can take a long position. But maybe I think more likely this this blue candle will turn red because we still have to take 38% pullback. Okay. So time will tell what's going to happen, but keep an eye. But enter longs after each pullback. That's all I have to say. Trend is up. So if you are watching this video, I don't know when I'm recording the video at a different time. You're watching it at a different time. Live opportunities comes at a different time. So if you want some live action, make sure you join the monthly membership. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share the video with your trading friends. I'll see you in my next video, maybe tomorrow. And yeah, till then, have a good Forex trading day.